Hello everyone, this is Akatek Yugi as usual. So into this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to install two WhatsApp apps onto your phone. So all you need to do is to look up for the settings application. Once you get to learn to it, then get to look up for advanced features, then tap on them. Then over here within the advanced features menu, tap on duo messenger. So then over here, toggle on WhatsApp. So with this, you can get to install a second copy of WhatsApp on your phone by tapping install. The process then gets to begin. So here we are. Within no time, it's gonna be installed. So let's go back here in the home screen. And then if you have to look here, you see that there is this WhatsApp and this one. So here is the second copy, and on the second copy of WhatsApp, you can do whatever you want. Like you can get to register a new number on the second WhatsApp. So that's how basically you can get to install two WhatsApp apps on your phone. Easy peasy.